Welcome back, guys, to Wrld TV. And today we are rep for a brand new movie called Sisters at War. Yes, guys, tell me what you like about the movie. Yes, want to like, share, and subscribe. And also, guys, we are repping for the Blue Crane Escape. Guys, the numbers are on the screen if you want to make your reservation. Yes, guys, email us, email them also if you're an email person. Check out the place. It's a very nice place, guys. I know no see it in the movie and I know no wishing of the day here. Don't? Yeah. Alright, my boss, start.
But anyhow, one coloring book, I represent the coloring book TV and also Wrld TV. But anyhow, the producer, Popidan, and me myself, coloring book from Wrld TV and coloring book TV. Popidan have a trip. We want to go to Panama, right?
Yes.
From December, right?
Yes.
So anyhow, we just look a small donation. So you know, so every actress and actor have them fund with the Wrld TV, coloring book TV. So we have Tia, we have Tibi, and we have Alia, and also Chelsea. She gonna take care of local business. But anyhow, we just reach out to fans them, local and international. Maybe a month or 2 months, we want to go to Panama or do some movie. You know, kind of change up the background, you see me? So any fans out there we can donate. You know, how small it is, we can help out your favorite actress and actor. You want really appreciate if we can help out with a small sponsor. So first, Tia.
Yes, guys, so as you know here, coloring book said, we would like to go to Panama in December for about 2 months. Yes, guys, to do some movies. Different scenery, different thing, right, guys? So I know I have fans out there, so any of my fans that is watching this, please, I am asking for a donation. No matter how small it is most appreciated, right? Yes, guys. So
And second, your favorite actor, Tibi.
Yes, my side, me I tell us as you can see it's a boy. Tibi. To my fans, me I represent and me I try to reach out to him. Cause December coming up, we want to go on a Panama trip, go do some movie or film. And just a little donation because I would really like to be a part of the trip.
And yes, last but not least, your favorite actress, Alia.
I know you hear a coloring book, so I have no favorite though. Anyway, as me I say, guys, as they say, I really want to go to Panama. Different scenery, shoot some movie and so on. So please, a small donation, just a small one, small. Anything, we appreciate it.
And last but not least, your favorite Popidan.
Yeah, people, so as you hear coloring book and the actor and the actress, you're talking about the trip to Panama. So reason being why we are reach out from now is the flight supposed to be booked from September. So we just reach out to see if we can get out the amount of funds so we can know who and who will be on the trip. You understand? So as I say, we just make a small donation towards the Panama trip. You understand? So we just reach out to the fans because we like to be a part of the trip. You know, so we can have an awesome time and you can get some good movie there. So big up on yourself, you understand? And the number will be on the screen.
Yeah, the number gonna be on the screen. As I said, the fans them, please, whatever you can do and help out us with small donation, please and thanks. Wrld TV
For the people.
and only for the people. Coloring book TV
For the people and
only for the people. Big up the team them.
Watch your movie at least.
Sisters at war, family now live good again. Sisters at war, you know you're not whole, no meds, none at all. Drill a look out for your sister, but her sister now look out for her. Them father passed away and a peer problem a gone over them. Me I tell you, sisters at war, who know how to fight the land, but her sisters at war. But the police are gonna solve this war. Ooh.
say you're gonna left me, daddy. I know me can't believe it.
Yes. John Mustar. Hey. I even know how we start this, but while I'm going to come from camera, man. Your face not look pleasant, but me know yesterday was your father's funeral, and you now get over this so fast. But remember, who feels it knows it. Maybe if you actually 3 years now, I probably say 3 years now, be. And to be honest, Jill, your father was a good man. The best father-in-law I ever have. How understand how you feel right now, because imagine I know my father and I feel about your father who passed away.
Lando, I know you actually best to comfort me and so have no. But I'm my father, you know. It's gonna haunt me for the rest of my life. I miss me daddy, you know.
You know that be, you have to understand, say, everything happened for a reason.
I'm not gonna get over this now. I have to just give me some time. I'm not gonna heal so quick.
Yebs, me understand everything, you know. Remember, say me there for you, know, and your sister Janaya there for you too, you know. So don't bother feel like, say, are you one in this be? Just know, say, we all both there for you. And you see, before even your father drop out, because I remember saying your sister never did have that good, close connection there, you know.
I'm glad, you know. I'm glad say before my father gone, my sister and daddy get to build back a band. Even though I'm not strong, but they build back a band because I have to talk to daddy and I have to talk to Janaya too, because you know how Janaya stay. Love having your own way. Love doing one, you don't want nobody talk to him. But I'm glad I'm my sister, I'm a lover, down to ground, lover.
B, so. Me understand. Because I'm there 3 years now and see how she move and operate. But you can't get them things put on your brain, because remember you lose your father and you love your father, you know.
I still love my father.
What be? Yeah.
Babes, thank you. Thank you. You're there for me before even my father passed away. You're still there for me today. I really appreciate you.
B, no worry ahead. I go forever there for you. Nah, go nowhere.
Just can't believe saying gone. Your memories live on though. Memories live on enough people.
Oh, hi, good evening.
Evening.
Sorry, I never know say I'm in here have a moment.
Man, what go and sis?
B,
There.
may I just give you some time, make you and your sister raise and pencil out on her pencil out. Sister-in-law, what's up? You good?
I'm a good man.
Alright. B,
Yeah, man.
stay in my room, you hear? Janaya.
Yes.
Tell you the truth. I'm sorry how your father dropped out. Your father was a good man. My best father-in-law ever come across I ever seen in my life. Just go and hold it.
May I hold it, man?
B. Wait, I love you here in my room.
Sis, you alright?
May I go and hold him? You alright?
We alright, you know. Believe you me, we alright. Right now, I can't believe so daddy gone, you know. And I really yesterday hit me the most when I see man they go down 6 feet deep. You understand?
For you to tell you the truth, Janaya, you're a stronger one, you know. Very strong. When I see some men that you look upon daddy yesterday, you must know.
You think me strong? Are you strong? Trust me. And you know what me like and what me love is that me and daddy never have a good relationship. You understand? But before he pass away, we make up for, you understand what I say? He never, exactly, he never 100, but at least me know say he no pass away mad at me and then look away there. You know what it is? Me really appreciate you. Like, remember, you know, Daddy, you know, because a relationship with me and him did have, you know, he never put me on the wheel, you know, Jill. And because of you talk to him, you plead for me, and everything, so me can depend this a William. You understand what I say? Jill. Right now, Jill, remember when Daddy all did show me out, you know, it's like I'm literally homeless and everything, but because of you, it's like you just want angel. You know what I mean? Cause me and
yeah, my sister. And right now, me don't even care about none of this. None of this even suit me. I would give up a whole of this just to get back my father. Me don't even think more I live as I need, you know. See there, Daddy passed and left this place for 8 hours. Well, better than the day. But Janaya, I want to ask you something.
What that, Jill?
You don't think this looks strange? Remember, you know, okay, Daddy, how much doctor, much physician, and when time Daddy do blood test them and the CT scan and then test everything good. And all of a sudden, Daddy just drop out, so that looks strange to you?
Well, Jill, all I can say, all the way to go one day, we're in line. So, with Daddy drop out,
I actually say don't find that strange, none at all.
Jill, you can do it right now and just drop me, you know. And people go say maybe I science. So I just life. I just life. Me know you miss Daddy, but I just life.
I'm glad to see me have you in my life right now. And my boyfriend Lando man, good man.
For real, man. You know, so I come to think of it. Also, I'm going to give him a talk, kind of, you know, thank him for being there and stuff like that. So, we catch up here. Lando.
Yes? Janaya?
A bigger big down for me. Eh? She don't deserve this, she don't deserve all of this, you know. And me deserve my father, all of my father place. Bro.
What's up?
Good day,
You good?
Me alright, man, you know, sir. Go me down, go me say me have to contact you. Have to contact you for show me appreciation, you understand? Me just glad how you did it for my sister through everything, through her downs and her ups. You know that way there? I mean, know how she can be when she's stressed, you know. She shut out people, so I really appreciate say you did it for her. And remember when we choose the funeral package, and you know, I look Paul for the body and then look where they did a PP clock. So I really appreciate everything.
Janaya, you're forever there for your sister. And the reason why I'm toe to toe with her for your funeral, for your father.
The blood of Jesus, for my father's funeral.
Funeral thing, my mistake, my bad. And because your father was a good man to me. Your father never disrespect me. Your father treat me good and everything. So I'm going to always forever there for two all. And the next thing too, as long as me live, I go forever there for your sister. All if she are going to fire, me a walk going there with her. I mean that 1,000%. And nobody can decide. Nobody at all.
Well, nobody than this your baby, man. So don't worry about that. Get what I say, but thank you so much once again. And just continue to do this here. You understand?
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
Alright.
Enough respect.
Let's say a word there, bro.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Sis, may I go in over here?
Alright, sister, take care of yourself.
Alright. You sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm a good man. One
Alright.
day at a time, isn't it?
Alright.
I love you here.
Love you too.
Mr. Rupert, the belly for a nice place. If you're two that time, I want good foundation, this, you know. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Chelsea. Wow.
You know, some of the surface spheres that passing your father. My condolences.
So you go.
You know,
All of you pass one day and ended up in that age, so
such is life. Not true.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry to hear that still. But me kind of happy saying your father did mend back things coming out, so you never really have one good relationship.
for real,
You know,
yeah.
so
Actually,
just come and stay strong still, because when we say I saw you go, we can't do nothing about that.
and boy, Chelsea, I'm glad when you come to my funeral yesterday, you come show your face. I know
It's so
your
cool.
presence is enough, me I tell you, like, come on, guys. A good while now, you're my sister first, you understand? And I'm glad how I know you at work and you look weird and you take out time out of your busy schedule to come to funeral and say they're here today. Come look for her and so I really appreciate everything what you do for my sister, you understand?
Yeah, man, you're welcome too.
Yeah, man,
And you have to
thanks.
support me. Anyway.
Thanks for being there for her, because she go through a lot, because you know she and my father did closer than how me and my father be.
Yes.
So she don't take it so wonderful.
No, so she not take it like, you know. But
So-
as me say, I just gone on time. Just try to be strong same way and still be strong for children. Because I know say rough. I remember say even before your father passed, I say me throat you and it really, really affect Jill. It affect her because she love you. And it affect her so bad when I time that me have to stand up on my foot and talk to her. You understand? So I just want you to know. So you have to be strong same way.
Me I be strong, man.
And there for yourself and for Jill same way.
Me there for her, man. I love her and everything, and just be there for her.
Yeah, I try to do. I go check her coming out and find out that she really come to talk to, but through me see her, I get to and catch up with
You
her.
understand?
Alright.
Alright, let's say a word, and thanks again, here, Chelsea.
Yeah, man, bless up and I enjoy your day here.
Alright.
Jill!
Me in the kitchen, come.
You know what?
Me, I want one.
Today I want me alright.
So far, you know. Yeah,
How
one them.
you keep up? How you cope? How things?
I try to find something for the run, you also get my mind off it.
Yeah. You know, someone wants to say something to you, and it might sound one way, but kind of cliche, but you don't feel like say something really wrong somewhere. Like, your father just drop out, so. You don't find that strange.
Yeah, I don't know what you're thinking about. I was saying the same thing, but then it don't make no sense.
Look on the amount of tests when you do. You tell me say you don't want to test and online test them come back alright.
Alright, everything come back clear and good. Even though you're in a age, no, you have no sugar, no pressure, no diabetes, nothing.
And him just pass well so.
Well, you did when the autopsy, I do, you know, and then my sister handle everything. Because me did one different funeral home, because the one that when my father did it, very expensive and I couldn't manage that one day. So me there go on a Thomas funeral home and the funeral home there to find out.
One
And my sister come and tell me say a heart failure then say kill him. I don't know what.
Heart failure and then do ECG on his heart test is come back alright. Me no understand.
Well, basically they say in a shock. He like in see something and go in a shock.
Like I want heart attack, cardiac arrest.
Yeah, something like that. Yes. I don't really know that my sister would have else. Because me I look into it too, everything just weird. And then Officer Watson, if you say I come check me, if you talk to me or call me or something, you don't get to me and know. So I just wait for him to call me.
Jill, me not tell her no lie. You know, only look and sound weird, it just weird. The whole complete thing. I mean, I ask her, you know, I mean, I ask her nothing. The more for that say something to you, I mean, I say nothing.
I know, say, Jenna having some time ways, but she nice, a good girl.
Yeah, I your sister.
So you can't ask her.
No, ask her, I tell you, you may ask.
So,
If anything
Chelsea, I want more something to tell you. Thanks. Me know you're busy. Me know you have your business. Me know you have work, and you just still take out the time for you run up and do with me. I feel help out with the wake, the funeral, and so on. And me just have to tell you thanks.
Julia, welcome anytime. Me have to be there for your friend, not true?
Yeah, as a best
Yes,
friend.
me I support you. Anyhow, me can support you on that, me. Oh, what up, Jill? Yes, when Officer Watson get in contact with you, whatever it is, no left me out.
You know me not
seriously would
left
want
you.
to know. You know me feel about the whole situation already.
Me know, man.
But by the way, we landed there.
You run back there now. You run back and go and chill.
Me like when you did for you, me like when you put out the effort and whatever it is and try to do it for you.
Yeah, man, Lando a good youth. Really. Appreciate him, man. And I also appreciate you.
Thanks, Mama.
Chelsea, I want to ask you something.
Wow.
How you that feel if I get one of your niece?
You're pregnant? No, Jill, you're pregnant?
No,
No serious joke with me. You're pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant, but before daddy passed away, daddy always say I want grandpin if you're in a fund on that place. Plus, Lando Pina say I want son or want daughter for run up on those. I mean, the place kind of empty now, so I feel say a full time for me try.
The place empty, the place boring. Jill, a full time enough for sure. Think about it.
I think about it already, so I think to me I will talk to Lando about it, and things I'm ready now.
It's
They
a
have a
gift.
child.
Try.
I know, man.
Nothing try, nothing done.
Just
Anyway.
wait for daddy last wishes me.
Do it, man. You can do it. You know you can do it. I have support everywhere, so you don't have to worry about it.
Me have your support.
Yeah.
Chelsea, one more question. If I got a friend, you would have missed me?
Of course, when I miss you.
You know, say, me not think say, me want dare say anymore.
What I mean?
Because daddy drop out now and the place kind of empty and the place just not the same without my father. You have to try and understand. And land have so land a country. Me have some saving, I just go build one house for a piece of land and live life. See, me rent out my part down here so as Airbnb.
But nothing wrong with that, Jill. If that's a one that make you comfortable, do it. It no matter which part in Ireland you go, I could even choke you. have my full support. We go always there for you.
I just that more so me have a support. That's
Me,
all.
me good like that. Me make you comfortable, Mama. Do I make you comfortable?
Alright, thanks.
In the meantime, think about the baby something.
I think
Yeah, I want to niece, I want to maybe if you run up on
soon,
them.
man.
Alright. Me I go over.
Alright.
Yeah.
I just say one more thing. After what's really like you.
Officer Watson.
Yes, you really like
Me know,
you.
man. Me know. Me say I look for me at funeral another day.
Alright,
Me
friend.
think me not see me no, but me see you.
Alright.
Later, me girl. Mando.
Chelsea.
How go on? You alright?
Yeah, man. You?
Me there go and hold them, man. You can check Jill. Me just asked her for you a while ago, you know.
Oh. You know, somebody did run on the back there, so I burned 2 frost one at a time and Janaya forward and
Oh,
I did
Miss
a
ya.
reason. You know, me I want company friend just to come free my mind, you know.
free. Me say her earlier when me just come board, but you know, say Jill me come board, so me dey go check her and what a reason. Right? So how you hold up?
Why? Rough, you know.
Me know say rough. But me know say you one good man and me know say you support her to the fullest. So at the end of the day, me have to check on you too, because she me come board, but you know me have to check board too, because me know say you're good. You're good for her. So.
Yeah, man. Me always good, man, you know. Like how me there for her. And me never left her, you know, because she depressed right now, you know.
Me know that.
She depressed right now.
Me know.
I mean, know what is it to lose a father. Because when my father did drop out of a country there, you know, she did it for me.
Me understand.
So me have to did it for her back.
Me love that.
Come out here, son, because that's what will give me headache.
I know say maybe they kill me. They no make that happen.
You know, say, a whole heap of land my father have up a country there when pass away left.
You know say the same thing Jill said to me. A while ago me and her talk and she said that to me, you know.
Yo, me say me feel if you chill you out. Imagine say I know my father, even though me lose my father at first, but if you know say I want a female that did love and take care of her father and respect her father and her father drop out.
For real. She have future plans still for you and her, you know. You just want to stay focused and continue to support her just like how she support you. You understand? Hope one day you can settle down, get married and have a future.
Before her father drop out, which is my father-in-law, she always used to tell me say she want to come a country with me, come and live and stay. But we never did really take her serious because through a country that's and she a hot girl and she young, the country life now go really match up to her standard and her life and her livity, you know. So through her father have a nice place now, me say, yo, better your time because a scheme on a live pan, you know.
You know, say, I want to be honest with you. You can adapt anywhere at all you go in the world, you can adapt. So, being a country girl is different from being a town girl. She just, if she really and truly love country, she will just survive. She will survive just like if she survive, yes, so she will survive.
That's true. You know, say after my father died, between me and this side, I sell one 4-acre land. Cause remember me tell her say my father dead left whole heap of land. So I sell one 4-acre. Right now I know me even buy a sweetie out of that money there. That the money there in our account. So even if she want to come a country, come live with me, can build a place up there, start a life.
Yes, I can do that.
Get family.
Yeah, you have to do that. When you're young, it won't know.
Just about nothing to nobody.
Make good work part that day.
Yeah, first somebody me I share this with. Yeah, so me I tell her say more make a family with her. Somebody want to bring her a country.
And she already have that in mindset, so I think it was hard for you. Just put it to her and you can reason about it. I told her day.
Yeah man, one day.
One day.
Yeah,
Alright, one day. Reason with her about it. But as me say, me I go take care of something, so me buck up when I link up.
Alright, big up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Blessings and guidance here.
Yeah man.
And go and hold them same way.
Alright.
Alright.
Hello, sir.
Who is that?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
officer.
evening. Yeah, my name is Officer Watson. I'm from the Wrld police station. Yeah, I think a couple of months ago, the man that passed away, correct me with his name?
Oh, Rupert.
Mr.
Brown.
Rupert Brown. Yeah, so I'm the new officer that take over the case, cause the case, matter of fact, can just come out of the front for me, please. Yeah, I'm the new officer that take over the case. The case is reopened, but anyway, I would like to talk to one of the sister. Yeah, the deceived. I have two daughters, right?
Yes, two daughters.
Yes, I would like to talk to one of them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna want to talk to the two of them, but the brown one, I don't remember.
Jill.
Jill, yeah, excuse me, no disrespect, and who are you to the family?
Oh, you know, say officer, to be honest, me a Jill boyfriend.
Oh, fiance. Alright, so you can just reach out to him and tell him that Officer Watts is right here, want to talk to him.
Steer some so forward.
Alright, bless up yourself. Why you to tell police it and so?
Jill! Jill!
Yes?
Babe, one officer out this one here, Officer Watson from Wrld police station, you know?
Officer Watson.
Watson.
Oh yeah, what you want?
Oh, seen the babe. I don't know where you're up to, but are you ain't gonna ask for?
Alright. Mr. Watson!
Yes, ma'am.
So, babe, you want me to come and take a picture at the place?
A policeman didn't work.
Alright.
You can't come, Mr. Watson.
Go on, me not so
Can you just come for me, please?
me not so be here.
Alright.
Make sure you're alright, you know?
No, I'm good, man. Mr. Watson,
Yes, ma'am.
good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, man. Once again, I don't know if you remember me from the funeral.
Yes, sir.
My name is Officer Watson once more. Yeah,
Yes.
I just come check you. Cause we have a follow-up and investigation on the case. Maybe a surprise if you wonder why I'm there here. You see me?
Yeah, I kind of look out for your call fine, but
Yeah.
I never look out for your visit.
I just want to say really, I'm sorry about that. Really sorry about the loss of your father.
Thank you very much.
I don't lose a father, but I lose friends, family, and close ones. So I know what you're going through. But anyhow, the person was on the case. The day that your father passed away, him in some fraud. So they remove him from Negril and send him to Kingston. Meaning a lot of case, like a people who him lock up, them a question it. You understand? Meaning, you know when them say police in a fraud.
Yeah, me understand.
Right.
Corrupt
So most
cop.
are corrupt cops. So most of the case where them lock up people send them gone to jail and prison. Maybe them have to go to retry all over.
Oh.
So I just want to inform you that the case, your father case, it's a homicide. Homicide.
Homicide.
Yeah, that means
As in somebody unalive my father?
that's correct, mom. You're smart.
Officer,
That's very
that don't
correct.
make no sense.
Um,
Me did look into it and I say it's strange and swapping, but my father don't have no enemy.
Well, that's what I'm here to find out from you, mom. If your father have no enemy. Well, Jill, I tell you what. I think we need to come down with a bit more. Cause I don't want nobody to pass and hear what we're talking about. Cause bush our ears, and this is very, very, very important. All right, so listen to me now, mom. As I said before, I'm really, really sorry about your loss. But anyhow, this is very, very, very serious. Your father never sick and drop out. Your father never have a heart attack. Someone unalive your father.
Unalive him how?
Alright, you remember the last time that we spoke, that we talked? Me if you get back to you?
Yes,
Well,
sir.
me if you get back to you. Because as I tell you before, the person was on the case, somebody pay that policeman to come and tell you guys that a heart attack your father have. Someone really, really poison your father.
Poison?
Just like how you shock also, I'm shocked also.
But me not understand this. My father don't have no enemy. My father a good soul. My father live good with everybody.
You're
My father
sure?
help people.
You sure your father don't have no enemy?
No enemy at all. Don't think madman a walk on the road can look on you and tell us that my father a good soul.
Sometimes you don't have an enemy, you know, but you have an enemy. But you don't know, so you have an enemy. But anyhow, everything when I want to ask you, as me say, I really have to take it and write it in the book. Because I'm just
sir.
doing my job. You understand? So as I said, you're sure your father don't have no enemy?
No, me know, sorry.
After all, your father have a nice place. Very big.
Yes, sir.
So before your father passed away, how much you want to live here?
Me, one night time I did just me and my boyfriend alone, but then my father and my sister they had in a whole group.
Hold on 1 second, mom. You and your boyfriend, right?
Yes, me and Lando.
Lando?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's your boyfriend, right?
Yes, sir.
And also your father,
Yes. Rupert.
Rupert.
Brown.
So, get some information during the time me ask around before me reach out back to you.
Yes, sir.
And me get to overstand. It's alleged that your father and your sister, what's your sister name?
Janaya Brown.
Janaya Brown.
Yes, sir.
So me realize that your father and your sister never have a perfect relationship. Cause at one point I think your father threw him out because she was behaving bad.
At first, sir, but you know how father and daughter
So him
relationship
did throw him out to throw.
He did throw her out, but then me talk to daddy and daddy take her in back.
So,
And then good again.
so
They
during
live
the time
loving.
during the time your father showed your sister, you are the one that talked to your father, make your sister could return and him have a perfect relationship.
Yes,
So
sir.
during that time, your sister and you have a perfect relationship?
Yes, sir, me and my sister did good. We perfect. She normally come out and get us and we chat and we laugh and we drink and we eat and we just live good. But just because she have her ways and that don't like her, she want to run up and down, if you understand what I mean.
She want to
sir.
have her own way.
She want to have her own way. She want to go a party. I know say daddy whatever the word they be right
So
now.
you don't think in yourself as a sister, you don't think your sister would harm your
No,
father?
no, sorry, no, my sister.
And
Sorry.
no disrespect.
No, sir. My
You
sister
don't
love
think
daddy.
you feel so?
Me know so. My sister love even though my sister have her ways them, she love with father. She not do that, man. Nothing like that, sir. My sister can't be no suspect. You have to suspect somebody else. Me, I can't
So
turn up
without
straight.
me come forward and tell you that your father didn't pass away, someone unalive your father, did you think for a minute or a second
Yes, sir.
that your father dead? Look away, he look suspicious.
Yes, sir. Me did think so one night time. Cause me even said to my friends, I don't know everything what we do come back clean. So I don't know how if you just have a heart attack. So
One more question. Your boyfriend and your father, them have a good relationship.
like father and son.
And before your father passed away, you know own no bill, you know own nobody.
Sir, look on the big old house that my father have. My father have much business. It look like we are somebody who walk on whole people. My father don't have no enemy. Everybody love my father.
One more question before I leave. You can't say you really have a child, so I really don't want to keep up with you. But one more question, and it's very, very, very important. Don't tell me no lie. Your sister and also you, both of you guys on the will?
Yes, sir. She never did on me one night time, sir. Because through she bad, my father they remove her. When me convince my father and tell my father say I'm daughter and he put her back on me.
After your father passed away, or your sister treating you?
She me like how me cheat her, sir.
And your
Poor
boyfriend
bad.
act different?
No, sir, they good. Everybody good to me. Even my friend Chelsea, even her, she had best.
I was just gonna ask about Chelsea. She's a very nice person. I really
Even
like her.
Me
But
notice,
anyhow,
sir.
Chelsea and your father have a good relationship.
Yes, sir.
And
Everybody
Chelsea are the
good.
only stranger that come over here.
Sir, Chelsea is no stranger. Basically, my father grew Chelsea. Me and Chelsea are best friends for we are pitney.
Alright, listen. Give me your contact number, please. Cause I lose it. So can you just repeat your contact number?
482, sir. 1515.
Okay. And also you can give me a boyfriend contact number, please.
258 2630.
One more thing. Your sister, where can I find her? She's on the compound?
Yes, sir. She upstairs in her room, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna give you my number. My number is 52 21 81 48 226. That's the first part of the number. And remember the
Hold
area
on, sir.
code.
52.
Yes, 52. That's the last part. That's the first part of the number. So I'm gonna give you the last part
Okay,
of the
sir.
number. Alright, the last part of the number is 281 21 32 48. So that's number you can call me. That's my personal number. Call me anytime.
Right, sir. Right.
So this number you can call me anytime. If you think about anything, you think about like any person who tried to hurt your father, harm your father, anything at all, remember can help me in the investigation. Just call me day or night.
Okay,
Your
sir.
sister, I think I want to talk to your sister. Where
She's upstairs, sir.
she's upstairs, around the back.
You can walk her back or you can walk her.
And one more thing, as I said before, I'm really sorry about your loss.
Thank
And
you,
one
sir.
more thing, please don't leave the community, don't leave the area.
Where me go, sir?
Because the only person that I can question are you and your sister. So you guys are on a strict investigation. Till
So me suspecting my father one case, sir.
sorry to say, but yes, ma'am, I'm really sorry.
Alright.
Miss Janaya Brown,
Hello.
present, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your father is Mr. Rupert, right?
Mr. Rupert.
Right.
Yes.
First thing first, I just want to say sorry about your loss, sorry about your father. I know what. You want to say something?
Who are you?
Well, gun, handcuff, vest. Guess you can call me police from Nigel Police Station. My name is Mr. Watson.
So, officer, my father passed away, and what the reason for?
Well, I can see that you're smart. I don't know. I don't want to know school ever. I can know you're going to a bright school, very smart. But anyway, the reason why I here, your father didn't pass away by sickness or heart attack. Someone, I don't know who it is as yet, but someone unalive your father.
Who does that?
I know who
Like-
does that.
Officer, who would I really poison my father?
That
My
one
father.
one really praise your father. To how me hear it and how me investigating on the street, your father was a very good man. But anyhow, I'm really sorry
Yeah,
again about your father.
Somebody really unalive my father.
It's Janaya, right?
Janaya, yes.
So to be honest, really I get to the bottom of this investigation. You understand? But anyhow, I just want to tell you, the case is reopened. The reason why the case is reopened, the officer when have the case before, he mean some bandul stuff. You understand? He means a dirty cop. So most of the people when you lock up and send to prison or jail, they make case have to go try back all over. So that's why the case reopened and realize someone paid the officer when you have the case before to tell you guys that your father died by heart attack.
No man, people can so wicked.
Very wicked.
People wicked.
Alright, so
Father, no,
I'm gonna
no.
ask you a few questions. What's your name again?
My name is Janaya Brown.
Janaya Brown. Second daughter or first daughter?
I'm here the second one.
You know where you go through. Just calm down. Just take it easy. We have all the time in the world.
Officer, you don't understand my father. My father.
Sorry about that, man. Really sorry about that. I know
Oh,
what you
God.
are going through. You understand? But the only way you can help with this investigation, just to strong up. You see me? Because I know you want me to find the person where pies your father, where you guys can carry on both of you life, right? Alright. So, how good you and your father have a relationship?
Your relationship with alright, officer.
Alright, like alright, or on and off.
Alright, on and off. Alright, on and off.
Alright, on and off.
Alright.
Your father in church, you, right? Come get information that your father in church, you, and you never get along with your father quite well. You disrespect your father, you and him have a lot of issue before him passed away, but you guys make it up back.
Yes, we made it up back.
Okay. So during that time, before your father and you make it up, you have like you're thinking of yourself that you want to do your father nothing.
Officer, would never do that. Would never do my father nothing.
Alright, one more thing. I kind of understand that you never on the will before your father passed away. Or your sister talk to your father and put you back on the will because you guys never have a good relationship. Correct or I'm not correct?
Then officer,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
disrespect.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you have all of the information, where you need to talk to me for?
Ma'am, no disrespect, none taken. But me have all of the information. Some of these information, some of them it's alleged. I don't sure if some of them correct. So that's why I'm there here to investigate to find out if some of the things that I know, if it's correct or it's incorrect. So that's why police come and investigate. So you're sure you're comfortable or you're uncomfortable with the police a question you?
Officer, me don't have a problem for you ask me. But when you have to come and ask me if me and my father have good relationship, what that have to do with my father death? You should have out there to find the person who unalive my father.
Mom, if it's the last thing me do in this world, I'm gonna find out who poison or unalive your father. But the only person only two persons can help me with this investigation. It's you and your sister. So if you really now have nothing to worry about, and if you're not guilty about nothing, you just help me carry on this investigation that me can find out that who unalive your father. Where you can sleep better, you and your sister. So I'm going to ask you again, you and your father have a good relationship, yes or no?
The relationship was on and off.
On and off.
Yes.
First daughter or second daughter?
Second.
Second daughter. Okay, one more thing, you have a boyfriend?
Officer, I'm not sure.
You're not sure? So if you don't sure me, when me write down 10 or 20 boyfriend.
Officer, you go too far now, you know what? Let me just hurry up, tell you what you want for your fear.
Yes, ma'am.
So officer, me did have a boyfriend, but we break up a
Yes.
little bit before my father drop out.
Okay. Alright, the boyfriend when you have before your father drop out, what's his name?
Officer, how is that relevant?
Mom, listen me. Me there here investigate a homicide. Your father drop out. And I really want to solve the case and can move on. And many cases on a Nigel police station pile up. And I know why you just hold up my time with this case. You understand?
Alright, officer, his name Akeem.
Akeem. Him how much?
35.
You have in last 4 number?
Officer, I don't know it out of my head right now.
A matter of fact, my number, you cannot reach out to me. My number, a matter of fact. This is my number. I want you to listen to me and listen to me good. Please, yes, when you remember that number in your head, reach out to me and give me that number. Very, very important about the investigation. Have a blessed day and a wonderful day.
Same to you.
And one more thing, if you hear nothing, I can think about, I remember nothing. Who I want to analyze the father or my father, please reach out to me anytime, night or day. Have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day too. Before you out there look for who analyze my father and come and interrogate me. I like this style, man.
I know, I can't believe what a policeman said to me, you know.
How a policeman said to you?
What basically policeman I try to say, daddy no pass away. Somebody pays my father, analyze my father. Me not understand that.
Poison your father? How?
Well, Mr. Watson say, you know, Officer Watson say, you know, you see the policeman when he did upon the case,
Yeah.
incorrupt. You see enough case where when deal with the night pass have to reopen, so my father case have to reopen now. And now in find the real file say a pies my father did by pies, not did by no heart attack.
So, question be, how him as a policeman know that?
Somebody pay the policeman and it look like the policeman pay the person that will look about the autopsy. When they are funeral home, it come like him pay them. So one time them come to my sister and want to tell my sister say a heart attack. I don't know heart attack.
This weird.
It's
You don't
weird.
understand.
You know what's part about it? Me and my father. I want to suspect, you know. The policeman I can't tell me say me not go nowhere.
I lie to you. So, question. Who you think could have poisoned your father?
Oh, me fi know daddy not have no enemy. Everybody love daddy. You love daddy. Everybody. You the policeman ask me about.
About me?
About you.
How? No, be this.
Me corrupt right now. No.
This
Me have
weird.
to get to you but on this. Me don't even know where I say to Jana yet, you know, around them. If I go find out, you know.
Be,
That's
better
even
you
slow
go
there
on.
some more longer, you know.
I
Me
mean,
so
I
come
understand.
fix that for you, man.
How will be said to me? Somebody poison father. But Janaya not do that and Jill not do that. My woman not do that. Me definitely not do that either. So how that happen? Me not understand that Mr. Brown was a good man. No sir.
Yes, sir.
Sis! Janaya! Sis! Sis! How happened to you? What do you? Janaya, what do you? Janaya! Janaya Brown, what do you?
Jill.
Come here, my sister. What happened to my sister? I know everything. What do you?
Jill, I just can't believe the news that I just hear. Like, literally, you know, Officer Watson, right? Him just tell me, say, somebody really, like, purposely unalive with father, me and your father.
Me know when I hit me, I come to talk to you about it, because I don't understand this. You personally tell me, say, a heart attack that you have. And that you said and tell you. But no one me know, say, the policeman will hungry case. Say, I want corrupt cop.
Sis, me don't know who that really want to hurt daddy. You understand what I say? But a way policeman tell me tell you, can't tell me say a heart attack. He tell me, he look in my face and tell me, see a heart attack. Make daddy drop out. So that's why I relate that message to you. I don't know why not do that. It come like them a try to turn me against one another. You understand?
To tell you the truth, this is very strange.
Sis, me don't know who out the road if daddy have no enemy. Whether that one fi analyze daddy, me I wonder. Me know daddy have him money, but suppose he owe somebody.
Look at this. No, you don't have to talk to you. Know so daddy don't owe nobody. Daddy don't owe people. Daddy a man is straightforward and know that.
Well, then sis, me have to try to figure out. Because the police them now do their job. So basically, me have to do the work for them right now.
Sis, me dey really a plan for say this there now. You dey really fi know this until me a go. Cause land don't have land a country. And I say, alright, me I go country go build a house for the land. And me I second and we have one or two people. I always say one daughter or one son. And daddy always say, me fi get picnic, get grand picnic. And I say, alright, me I fulfill that wish. I know me I hear this, me can't move. The police are going to tell me say me can't move. And for me part of house, me say me I plan for renting as Airbnb. I see me stuck. Me stuck now. What me I go do?
Well, sis, I know you alone can't go nowhere now. The officers tell me say me can't go nowhere either, no other parish. Me stuck here so. Me stuck a nickel, you know. But sis, what do you mean by your rent out? You want to rent out?
Then if me I go up a country go live, me no must have to rent it so you can be one income. Money are coming to me same way. You understand?
What me I say, but sis, me can't believe I know.
Me too.
Can't believe who the real one for hurt daddy.
They could have fly high or fly low. Me the help that the officer there, you know. Me the help him find out I could have Satan. How pays my father. Me know say me I help Mr. Watson. Me have to find out the truth. Me say I could have even father God. Me I go up there. Cause my father too good for this. Anyway, me I gonna go back on this because me I get some water. I right now my heart is race right now.
Sis,
Yeah?
come on to say to you differently. Make us stick together, sis. You understand? Us against the world right now. You get me? Cause whosoever poison daddy, whosoever unalive daddy right now, I fight them while we fight against one another. They want to turn against one another. Please, sis, just do this to me. Remember when we grew up?
Alright, just know yourself. Anything me hear, me come say tell you, and anything I hear do the same.
Yes, sis.
But me know say me have to get you back on all this. Me have to go fire there.
Hello.
Yes, Chelsea.
You alright?
Chelsea, if it's alright, you me did good, you know. But right now my brain's tore up. So you know what you have to do for me? Come check me earlier morning. It's very urgent. Me have something urgent to say to you.
What happened, Audrey? What happened again?
Chelsea, just my sister, just listen up. Just come check me tomorrow morning. Me need to talk to you face to face. Me can't talk to you over no phone with this.
So if it's so urgent, why you can't send no?
Come on morning, me can't send no voice note. Chelsea, you have to my break. Just come on morning. Alright.
Morning break.
Alright, love you, my sister.
Yes.
Alright.
Mr. Blair. Yeah, man, this is Mr. Watson. You remember the case at reopen?
Yes, that is the same case with Mr. Rupert.
Mr. Rupert Brown, correct. So here we are going now. I just come over the property and come run some investigation on the two sisters them. And to be honest,
So that is the case that you're talking about. You have one of the daughters called Wrld Brown and Janaya Brown, right?
right, correct. So here what's going on now. This is the moment where you wait upon. You understand? So we are going to move from plan A and go to plan B. And the reason why, because one, I think both of them is hiding something about this case. I think them know how them father, Paizo, I think one of them do it. To me, come like both of them working together. You understand? So, what I want you to do right now, this is the moment where you wait pan. You understand? This is the please don't let me down.
No.
Yeah. So you're gonna start today about this investigation. And remember, keep me informed what's going on. Everything, good, bad and ugly. Let me know what's going on. Because we need to solve this case and move on. We have a lot of cases piled up down at Nigel police station.
Correct, sir.
Alright, so I tell you what, I'm gonna text you the number we may use right now. No calling, just only texting.
Okay, no problem.
And remember, don't tell your mother, don't tell your father, don't tell your wife. You understand? This is strictly very information.
Okay, no problem.
Alright,
So,
cool.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna deal with it, man.
Alright, cool.
Work it on.
Yeah.
Jill, because most of my heart attack kill me. I run like a sprinter from down here where I come. Want me alright? You alright? Talk to me now. Yeah,
Chelsea.
hear me. Want me? You alright?
Girl, me didn't even couldn't sleep last night.
Girl, me not sleep none at all. I could have run out of the yard and run from Savaman come here and would have reach.
And right now, I'm not alright. I'm not alright at
Me
all.
tired. Where you say happen now?
Me there yesterday, right? My friend come call me and tell me, say, Officer Watson call me, right?
Officer Watson. Who name Officer Watson now?
You know, Officer will like you have one.
You know, say I true. I true because my brain now click. My brain now click, Jill, the officer with me. You see him officer with a smile with me at funeral?
Yes, him.
Oh.
Anyway, me come out here, greet him and everything. If you ever know the man, gonna make me know, say.
Why you tell us say?
He make me know, say. And a heart attack my father get on pass away.
What you mean in a heart attack your father get
A
a pass?
poison, somebody poison me.
I lie you tell. Now run the kind of joke there with me. My heart not so good this morning. You so for me I run from to come in your yard.
Chelsea.
Don't do me that.
Chelsea look
Jill,
funny. You really
what you
wanna
say?
tell lie like something like that?
So your father not die of natural cause. It's a homicide.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Somebody poison me pooper. And me say, hey, if I ever know who.
What you say? Poison?
Yes, Chelsea
Jesus
poison.
Christ Almighty God. Me know, you know. Me did know it's sitting alright cause the man do so much tests and everything come back
Chelsea, sit down,
negative.
Chelsea.
Everything, me know something never right from morning.
Remember, you know, me have a feeling, no. But remember, you know, daddy I want good somebody, daddy not do people nothing. Daddy not walk and trouble people, man now old age, all he want do I seen people them grow up and live happy, you know, and loving, you know.
My heart's full when you tell me this. That man is such a loving man. Look how man caring. Eh? Look when the amount of good way man do in our community. Everybody have something good to say about him, man. Why somebody be so wicked and so heartless for harm a man like that? But Jill, seriously speaking now, serious like, who you think could have really do something like that?
Me no know, Chelsea. I have no clue. But me know say me couldn't even walk on fire. Me
Oh
find
God,
out
that's an outer act of cruelness and wickedness, you know? Me tell you.
You know the worst part about it? Me can't live here, so.
What do you mean you can't?
Because the police officer Watson said me a suspect.
What do you mean you're a suspect? What kind of suspect?
My sister Janaya a suspect. Even Lando a suspect.
What the backside you say, Jill?
We can't live here, so. Remember me I tell you say me have a plan, say me I go somewhere go.
Yeah.
Me can't do that again, me have to stuck.
Jill, that means there's something serious they are going we don't know about. That is very serious.
Me don't know me I go do right now in Chelsea. But me know say me have to get to the bottom of this.
That's past serious. Me can't wait for you to get down to the bottom of it. Me when you get down to the bottom of it and find out how this go. Cause this is not normal, it don't sound right and me not like
Right
it.
now me feel like my blood pressure is sky high right now.
Me think me can't eat no dinner this evening because me can't even breathe properly. Right now my throat tight. Me just, when you find out, just find out where you have to find out. As dig as deep as you can and get everything where you need to get. Get all the evidence. Me not tell you no lie, me hungry. Me know so me can't go eat nothing, but me want one juice.
It's okay,
Me
man.
I go buy if I want orange juice out on the front.
Yeah, man,
Me tell you
man.
the truth, me need it.
Take care of yourself, Chelsea, but
If you take care of myself, you take care of yourself for me. Take care of yourself for me and you.
Yeah, man,
and get
yeah,
down to
man.
the bottom of this and make sure say fix. Your father that really love you for this. Just know say I'm proud of you for do
regardless
this.
of anything, my father love me. I don't know how they have me as suspect. Alright,
He can't help
Chelsea.
himself, so you help him.
Exactly.
Do it for me and do it for yourself. Do it
Alright.
for me and do it for yourself, Alia. Me believe in you and me know so you can do it. Call me or text me phone, you hear? Later. Oh God.
Hello, Miss Chelsea.
Hi, Officer Watson.
Yeah, pleasant. Good afternoon or
Good
good evening.
afternoon.
Yeah, man. You remember me?
Yes, me remember you.
Yeah, man. Officer
Me good with
Watson.
face.
And I also remember you. That's the smile that I see you when I was at the funeral of your friend, Jill. That's her name.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Okay, anyhow. I was just going over there to talk to her. Cause I get some new lead about
Yes.
the case.
Yes.
A matter of fact, can I ask a few questions? Cause you're a friend of Jill and also her sister.
Yes, Lanaya, yes.
And also them father way passed away. A matter of fact, no passed away.
Mr. Brown.
Unalive Mr. Brown.
Yes.
You're very close of Mr. Brown.
Yes, I know the man. I knew him for over a period of years. As a matter of fact, Jill just told me that you came and spoke with her and
That's correct.
the
that's
case
correct.
is reopened.
Reopened.
I am happy that you're the one to do it. Why I'm so happy? Because I knew from day one something had to be wrong.
So you have an idea or a thinking that something very, very wrong?
Yes, I thought at first when I heard the news, the tragic news, I figured more or less something went wrong somewhere. That man is a healthy man.
Yes, cause also do some investigation and realize before a matter of fact, before them analyze him and poison him, he was in hospital doing some lot of tests and all them tests him come back positive.
So Officer Watson, he
Yes.
was really and truly poisoned. This is a homicide that we're dealing with.
To be honest, I can go very deep, discuss
I
this
understand,
case, but
I understand.
because you know, to be
Classified
honest, I
information.
really like it about classified information. But I can just tell you a few things where you can just open your eyes and open your ears and hold up your head.
Sure.
So the case was very, very close, as
Yes.
you know that.
Yes.
The person cannot call him name, but the person who have the case, he was a corrupt cop. So
Okay.
they move him from here, they have him under some investigation at this moment. So by looking through the file, running through the file, a lot of file under this,
Yes.
we realize that this is not a person who is sick by heart attack. You understand? It's a homicide.
God
Somebody
is willing
poisoned.
and able.
So this is the first case I think I'm going to solve. You know, I just need some information. Anything you know, anything you heard, it
Yes, sir.
very, very can help me during this case of investigation. So one more information
Yes,
that
sir.
I never explained to your friend,
Jill?
Jill.
Yes.
You see that Jill father that passed away, where we just prove and find out that someone poisoned him, we can confirm who it is as yet. You understand? But someone in the police force, you understand, a corrupt police, him get paid from someone and him pay the autopsy.
Oh my God.
The autopsy, someone down there that do the autopsy to
Martishan.
confirm to the two sisters them that it's a heart attack.
So the Martishan also got paid off.
Yeah, but I think it's
Okay.
from the police.
Okay.
So I'm glad that this case reopened and I can investigate and crack my first case. You understand?
God
So I
is
just
so
need a
good.
quick, very, very, if you can just give me some quick information. So how long you Miss
Jill,
Jill,
we've been friends since primary school.
primary school?
Yes.
That is so nice.
Yes.
How much year is that?
Over 16, maybe 25 years, maybe more. We went to school from primary school to high school.
That is so very nice.
And we've been friends since.
And the father, you and him
That's
very,
over
very
25,
close?
30 years. Yes, we were close. He knew me. He
He is a
grew
good
me.
person?
He grew me. He
Oh,
was one of the person who
dang.
gave me money for schooling
Oh
most of
my
the time when
God.
my parents didn't have any money to
So
send
you
me to
feel
school.
it just like how the family feel it.
I am traumatized about the whole situation.
You have no information like, or you think about no person who want really do something so wicked and cruel.
Sir, no. And I will not draw any allegations. But to my understanding and analyzing the whole situation, I knew this was just too good to be true.
All right, tell you what. This number, it's my personal number.
Yes, sir.
You can call me anytime. Anytime. If you think about anything, we can just go have a drink, have a lunch, and we can just talk about it and you can just tell me anything that can help me solve this case.
I have no problem with that.
You
I'm
understand?
overwhelmed about the whole
And
situation.
anything you heard, anything you remember, please just call me. Very, very important. You understand? We just want to solve this case and move on to the next case. And as I said,
I can do
sorry
that.
to keep up your time. Have a nice day.
It's fine. Anything that has to do with Mr. Brown investigation, I am willing.
All right, so just have a blessed day, and really, I would really like you to call me.
I will call
Different
you.
from that, okay?
Thanks so much
Have
for
a
the
blessed
visit.
day. All right,
All right.
bye.
Have a good day.
All right.
Good luck on the case.
Thank you.
B,
What's up, dear?
how are you there now? Hurry up, come down.
Oh, me did go send you, go shop out something to my madam. Me then I stop your phone.
So far you reach.
So rich, man, rich. How I thought that I come from.
Hurry up, man, because me boring and I need somebody to talk to. I don't even know my sister she there.
Alright, 9 o'clock now.
Alright.
Yeah.
What
Okay.
sis?
There, what?
Sorry, me no knock. Me have the dirty habit there.
No, man, you good, man. Like, I feel a place, you know, so you good.
So what?
No, there. I think.
Alright, so me really want to talk to you.
But what now?
Just listen me. I want you to hear me out, right? You know, say me have one links where I tell me basically say Officer Watson. You remember Officer Watson?
Oh, I don't remember him.
Officer Watson have you down at the station as #1 suspect.
Me? Me have #1 suspect?
Yes.
So basically, I say if you see me alive, my father.
I don't feel say he man just want one little inch. Right now if he can arrest you.
Me? Why
So-
would I do that? Look how me love.
So basically, sis, me try to say, sis, me know you got through a lot. Because you did so close to daddy. You understand? You was like the right hand to daddy. So, me can just imagine what you got through.
Me not understand what I want.
Sis, look for me. Me said that to say this. Remember you did tell me say you want to go country, right? And you and Lando want to have children. So when you are the #1 suspect now, we don't know what can happen. So me feel like you're gonna have to just go country. Just pack up and go country. Because you being here at any moment, any game can play. Sis, remember, me a gangster and me tough. Me know for whole out things. You understand? You more emotional and softy and then like way there. And Jill, remember you did talk about rent out the Airbnb, right? Rent out yourself as Airbnb. Instead you do that, sis, me can just buy it from you. You understand? So when me buy it from you now, if in the long run, like next 5 years or so, things cool down, you just come back and me sell it back to you.
Hold up, Janaya. What you trying to say? If you sell my part, I house, and go country.
Yes, sis.
And then when me go country, then if you say me peasant that if it's true. You idiot, I run one me nah do that. You mad? Oh, me fi do that. If me a #1 suspect, me have it there for one time Officer Watson come in clear me name. Cause you know me not peasant my father. So why you want me go country and then they go say yeah, Jill escape, Jill gone after
So wait, sis. So you prefer to stay here and make them lock you up and you go to prison?
Well, me rather get it locked up until guilty until proven innocent. Me nah run.
You know,
and me nah sell my part. Oh, me fi sell my part to you. And I'm first of all me make you get in panny wheel. Oh, that possible.
You keep on and remind me every time. And you will make me get in pan the wheel. Every time for the rest of my life you come like you go tell me about that.
Hold on there. Janaya, what do you mean by me I remind you about that all the while? You go on like you didn't live here. Remember say daddy put you out. And me go down on my knee and ball and beg and plead for him take you back up. Even with the wheel, you never depend on none at all. And me go to daddy and me talk to daddy and say, daddy, I done your flesh and blood. So, give yourself one rule.
You see, right now, your voice alone annoy me, Jill. Because you see, from where I grew up, you have everything. Everything. Right now, me tell you something, we are going to school. If you get one 10,000 bag, me get my bag for 3,000. If you wear kickers, a school shoes, me I wear. Everything is all about you, Jill. Jill. Right now, we are sisters at war. Me sick and me tired of it.
Janaya, are you want for the war? Because it seems like a bad mind, your corp and everything. Imagine, me could have never beg daddy, you know, me never have to do it. And me do it because me I consider you. I can't tell me about me and your sister at war.
Dirty girl, let me tell you this. Me and you, and no sister. Actually, I don't even know me not like you. You see, as of today, we not related. We not blood. We not come out of the same mother. We not have the same father. You control downstairs, and me, we control upstairs. Me no want to see my quarters, and me not come to your quarters.
Come out of my place.
Come out of your place.
Janaya, you better leave my place, because I don't want you to tell us in here tonight. Here, come out. Don't make me forget to say me and your sister. Here, come out, Janaya. I can't believe this. Move faster, come out.
Jill. Jill. Count your days.
What just happened?
You guys made it to the end of this movie, and this movie is called Sisters at War, as you see it title. So people, as I said, enough respect for y'all that tune into the movie, then big up on yourself. You understand? And the reason why we never post Saturday and Sunday is because the views them for the movie are drop. You understand? Like the views ain't gone very low. So we just I left them the one that will post to see if the views them could have climbed up a little more. You understand? But still a move slow, but we can't hold on out for long, so we say alright then, have to post to that Tuesday. So as I say, big up on yourself for all who always have support. And as you hear what we say in intro people, you understand, I just want to know, send any contribution and you can send, no matter how small it be. You understand? Because I really like all of the actress and all of the actors them I work with Coloring Book and Wrld TV to fall upon the trip December. So when you just remember people, this Saturday coming, July 25th, you understand, I'm a party, and I keep a Yardman Cafe, West End the Grill, you understand, the party called Mother Road, Gather Road. So the flyers out the right so you can see it, you understand, and my number 7992758. So if anyone I fans them, they any side they want to reach out and forward the party, if you want more information, you can call me. So big up on yourself, Heart of Love.